Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, numerical number 9 is show that three vectors I, J and K unit vector. Numerical number 2.9, chapter number 2, FSC first year physics. We have supposed we have let a vector A is equal to I unit vector plus J plus K. Similarly, we also supposed a vector B with values 2i minus 3j, 2i unit vector minus 3j plus k unit vector, and we have also supposed a vector C with values 4i plus j minus 5k unit vector are mutually perpendicular. We have to prove these three vector A, B and C are mutually perpendicular. Let vector A dot vector B. We multiply two vector means vector A and vector B by dot product technique. Resultant will be vector A dot vector B is equal to putting the value of vector A, B, vector A and vector B in these brackets 2i minus 3j plus k. Now we multiply these 6 values 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 by dot product technique. Resultant will be 1 2s are 2, I dot I is equal to 1. Similarly, plus minus 1 3s are 3, j dot j is equal to 1, plus 1 1s are 1, as answer is 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. As the dot product of these two vector A and B is 0, so we can say that these two vector A and B are mutually perpendicular. Similarly, we multiply vector B with vector C by dot product technique, putting the values of vector B with in this bracket 2i unit vector minus 3j plus k unit vector. Similarly, the vector C with values 4i plus j minus 5k unit vector. Now we multiply these 6 values by dot product technique. The resultant will be 2 4s are 8, I dot I is equal to 1, minus plus 3 1s are 3, plus minus 5 1 5s are 5, 2 4s are 8, minus plus 1 3s are 3, plus vector B with values 2i minus 3j plus k and 4i plus j minus 5. 2 4s are 8, minus 3 1s are 3, plus 1 5s are 8, minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. So we can also say that these two vector B and C are also perpendicular, as the dot product of these two vector B and C is 0. Similarly, we can multiply vector A with vector C, putting the values in these brackets of vector A and vector C. A are I unit vector plus J plus K unit vector. Similarly, vector C with values 4i plus j minus 5k unit vector. Now we multiplied I unit vector with I, resultant will be 4 plus 1 4s are 1 1s are 1, plus 1 5s are 5, plus values 5 minus values 5, resultant will be 0. So these two vectors A and C are also perpendicular. Hence we can say that vector A, vector B and vector C are mutually perpendicular, as the dot product of any of these three vectors 3 of two vectors is equal to 0, 0, 0. So vector A, vector B and vector C are mutually perpendicular. Dear students, numerical question number 10. Given that vector A, the question number 2.10, vector A is equal to I unit vector minus j plus 3k, I unit vector minus 2j plus 3k unit vector, and vector B with values 3i plus 0 minus 4k unit vector. Find the value of length of projection of vector A on vector B. We have to find the projection of vector A on vector B, which is A cos theta. Dear students, we know that dot product of these two vectors given vector A and B will be AB cos theta, as we have to find A cos theta. So A cos theta from this formula will be vector A dot vector B over B. Putting the values of vector A, vector B and magnitude of vector B in these brackets as vector A with values I unit vector minus 2j plus 3k unit vector, and vector B with values 3i plus 0 minus 4k unit vector. Magnitude of vector B will be found by Pythagorean theorem, means 3 square plus minus 4 square. Dear students, dot product of these two vectors A and B in their rectangular components form will be 1 3s are 3 I dot I is equal to 1 minus plus minus 0 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0 minus plus minus 3 4s are 12 j dot j is equal to 1, and magnitude of vector B will be equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 under root is equal to 5. The resultant will be minus 9 over 5, which is A cos theta. Also our required value means projection of vector A on vector B. Dear students, question number 11, the numerical question number 11, vector A, vector B and vector C are 4 units, 3 units and 8 units with something direction. The question number, numerical question number 11, vector A with values 4 units toward north, vector B with magnitude is equal to 4 units with magnitude 3 units toward west, and vector C with magnitude is equal to 8 units toward east. We have to find, dear students, respectively, we have to find carefully the magnitude. We have to find vector A cross vector B. We have to find vector A cross vector B. Similarly, we have to find vector B cross vector C. We have to find vector C cross vector A, as vector A cross vector B is equal to AB sin theta into an unit vector. We know that direction indicator are basically two perpendicular lines which always represent north, south, east and westward direction. Putting the values, magnitude of vector A 4, magnitude of vector B 3 sin theta, as vector A is toward north, vector B is toward west, north and west with direction perpendicular, means theta is equal to 90 degrees. So resultant will be 4 multiplied by 3 sin 90 is equal to 1, with n unit vector is equal to 12 n unit vector. Dear students, now we multiply the vector B with vector C. Resultant will be BC sin theta n unit vector. Putting the values as magnitude of vector B is 3, magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector C is 8, as angle between vector B is toward west and vector C is toward east. West and east are 180, sin 180 is equal to 0. So resultant will be 0 and 2 n unit vector. Dear students, now we multiply the vector C with vector A by cross product technique. Resultant will be CA sin theta into n unit vector. Putting the values of magnitude of vector C as magnitude of vector C is 8, magnitude of vector A is 4, and angle between vector C and vector A. Vector A is toward north, vector C is toward east. North and east are perpendicular, so angle between them is 90 degree. We will solve 8 4s are 32, sin 90 is equal to 1, 32 into n unit vector. Dear students, inshallah we will discuss the next article, numerical number 13, inshallah, next day. Assalamu alaikum.